once again, longest one yet. That's amazing. Once again, I love that one. I'm so impressed with how he's able to come up with all these like random, really funny things. I like watching these because it inspires me to make something, although so far I've kind of just been like completely copying him. But this time I'm gonna try something a little more original. Dallas, Texas. I don't know.
Dude, why would you?
Thank you. Okay.
Hello, Andre Khan. Congrats on making 9 videos so far. I feel like giving up. Okay, you may now carry on. Have a nice day.
Is it only scan 22 items?
Hold on.
Okay.
Sorry, where's the...
Wait.
Awesome, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, those are.
I wonder what the...
young man in
sorry.
the.
I wonder what the range on this thing is.
Right there. Yeah.
Did I press it?
Toshiba!
I was gonna say hit the no.
No? Here's 66 cents.
The one that
Hopefully I
says
got
yes,
that.
it's giving your change to
Yeah.
homes for the military.
Oh my god.
Fellas, take care.
Thank you, you too.
I skipped like half the instructions. So.
Okay, it's there's like 30 minutes before midnight, and I totally forgot about this, so see you tomorrow.